up, YouTube? Hudson Man 2 here, and today I've got something pretty unusual. I'll be opening a FENNEKIN Pokemon box. Thought this would be kind of interesting because for myself I will be purchasing Pokemon X version, and I thought I'd get pretty psyched by opening this, a Pokemon product. Let's see. There we go. Let's see. How do I... let's see. Can I get this? Let's see. There we go. The FENNEKIN promo card, which I think looks pretty cool. Then we get Plasma Blast, Dragons X-Slated, and Boundaries Crossed. And of course we get our little FENNEKIN figure, which I will stand right here on the card. And I guess we'll go ahead and open up these packs. Well that opened pretty easily. Let's see. Code card, I guess. So we've got Perleon, a Pokeball, Pikachu, yeah, Pika Punch, Talo, Venipede, oh that's cool looking, Dwiplo, it's kind of neat, Gillicent, Darmandian, Wartortle, and Tortora, I guess, that's how you'd say it. Sorry if I'm failing at the pronunciations of a lot of the Pokemon. I used to play the games quite a bit, which is why I'm actually going to buy X. Come on, focus. There we go. Okay, we've got Yama, Nosepass, Trubbish, Magmar, Aron, Baltoy, and hey, Claydol, Laron, Roselia, and Swinub, right? Swinub, oh, code card. Swallow Blue, there we go. And the final pack will be Plasma Blast. I'm probably not going to play Pokemon competitively. Those will be for trade, I guess. These will be. Focus. Something's back there. Looks cool. Drifloon, Houndour, Ducklet, Snorunt, Remoraid. That was cool. Plasma Energy. Oh, that is cool. Haxorus. So, I got a holo, and we got Ursaring, Catlin, and Ultra Ball. So, yep, that is a Pokemon FENNEKIN box. Focus. I really like the way they made the statue. Statue will not be for trade or sell. So go ahead and do a quick review over our holos and I guess, well, focus issues. Haxorus, Plasma Energy, Baltoy, Dwebble, and our promo. Well, sorry about that. FENNEKIN. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, I'm not sure how often I'll actually do Pokemon videos, because Pokemon's not really my thing, opening wise. So if you guys want to see more, tell me in the comments below, or like this video. If I can get maybe 20 likes on this video, maybe every now and then I'll do a Pokemon opening for you guys. But, as always, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And, alright YouTube, Hudson Man 2 out.